Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel before the video start. So in today's video, I will discuss one opportunity from the Accenture. This role is a customer software engineer. The full-time opportunity experience is required 0 to 2 years, and the location is Hyderabad. The required skill is Python programming language. You can see that the description. The good to have skills, no, must have skills: Python programming language, minimum 0 to 2 years of experience is required. Educational qualification is the 15 years of full time education. So this is all about the job description. Role and responsibilities are the expected to build knowledge and support and the team, participate in problem solving discussions, collaborate with the colleagues to understand project requirements and contribute to solution design, assign in testing and debugging software components to ensure functionality and performance, contribute to documentation and knowledge sharing within the team to foster a collaborative environment. The professional technical skills are the Python programming language, writing clean, maintainable, and efficient code using Python, familiarity with the software development life cycle and the this methodology, ability to work with the version control system and collaborative development tools. So this is the all about the skills, and I will share this link into the my description. Also I am sharing a form in the my Telegram channel, so please go through that and check it. Thank you so much.